In this video, we're diving into a detailed review of Healthy Paws Pet Insurance. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter decisions when it comes to your finances and your furry family members. Pet insurance can make the difference between life-saving treatment and heartbreaking decisions. Today, we'll explore what Healthy Paws covers, how much it costs, how claims work, and the pros and cons of their policies. Now, if you're comparing pet insurers or just curious whether Healthy Paws is still a top choice, you're in the right place. Why consider Healthy Paws? Reputation and focus. Healthy Paws entered the pet insurance market in 2009. It has grown into one of the best known providers in the United States. The company focuses solely on pet health insurance and is underwritten by an established insurer. Healthy Paws consistently ranks high for customer satisfaction due to its comprehensive coverage, simple plan structure, and speedy claim reimbursements. By specializing in pets, Healthy Paws tailors its process to customer service to pet parents' needs. Lifetime coverage. One of Healthy Paws' key selling points is lifetime coverage. Once enrolled, your pet is covered for eligible conditions for as long as you keep the policy active. There are no annual or lifetime payout caps. This is especially valuable for chronic illnesses like allergies, arthritis, or diabetes that require ongoing care. With no cap, you don't have to worry about hitting a limit and paying out of pocket. Coverage details. What's covered? Healthy Paws offers a straightforward accident and illness plan. Covers accidents, so broken bones, cuts, swallowed objects, poisonings, torn ligaments, illnesses like cancer, infections, diabetes, thyroid disorders, respiratory conditions, digestive problems, congenital and hereditary conditions, so conditions present at birth or inherited such as hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, and heart defects as long as there are no symptoms before enrollment. Emergency care and hospitalization, including diagnostics like x-rays, ultrasounds, MRI, and CT scans. Surgery and prescription medications, both routine and emergency surgeries, plus medicines prescribed by your vet. Alternative care, acupuncture, chiropractic treatments, hydrotherapy, and physical therapy when recommended by a veterinarian. What's not covered? Like any insurer, Healthy Paws has exclusions. First is pre-existing conditions. Any condition showing signs or symptoms before enrollment or during the waiting period. Routine care, wellness exams, vaccination, dental cleans, spaying or neutering, and flea or tick prevention. Exam fees. Healthy Paws does not cover vet exam fees, which some competitors do include. This means you pay out of pocket for each visit's consultation fee. Behavioral therapy, unless required for a covered medical condition. Non-prescription supplements and foods, unless prescribed for a covered condition. Knowing what's excluded helps you budget for routine care and out-of-pocket costs. Waiting periods. Healthy Paws has a 15-day waiting period for accidents and illnesses. Cruciate ligament issues and hip dysplasia for dogs enrolled under age 6 have a 12-month waiting period. These conditions can be expensive to treat, so plan accordingly if you have a breed prone to hip issues. Claims arising during the waiting period are not covered. Customization options. Healthy Paws keeps things simple by offering one base plan. You can adjust two variables. Deductible. Choose $100, $250, or $500. This is an annual deductible, and once you meet it, you don't pay it again until the next policy year. Reimbursement percentage. Choose 50, 60, 70, 80, or 90% of covered expenses. The higher the reimbursement, the higher the premium. There are no annual or lifetime limits, so once you meet the deductible, Healthy Paws pays the selected percentage of covered costs without capping payouts. This simplicity appeals to pet owners who don't want to pick among numerous limits and optional riders. Pricing. Factors that affect cost. Healthy Paws premiums depend on your pet's age. Premiums increase with age because older pets are more likely to get sick or injured. Breed. Breeds prone to certain conditions, like large dogs with joint issues or flat-faced breeds with respiratory problems, cost more to insure. Location. Veterinary costs vary by region, affecting premiums. Deductible and reimbursement. Lower deductibles and higher reimbursements raise monthly costs. Sample premiums. Premiums vary widely, but to give you an idea, a 1-year-old mixed breed dog in a medium cost city with a $250 deductible and an 80% reimbursement might cost $35 to $50 per month. A 5-year-old Labrador could be $60 to $90 per month. Cats are typically cheaper, maybe $20 to $40 for similar settings. As pets age, premiums can increase significantly. Unlike some competitors, Healthy Paws does not raise rates, based on claims history. Increases reflect rising veterinary costs and the pet's age. Claims and reimbursement. Submitting a claim. Healthy Paws prides itself on easy claim submission. You simply take a photo of your vet invoice and submit it via the mobile app or online portal. There's no need to fill out lengthy forms. You can also email or mail claims if you prefer. It's helpful to upload your pet's medical records once during initial claim filing to streamline future claims. Processing time. Healthy Paws is known for quick claim processing. Many claims are processed within 2 to 3 business days. Reimbursements are issued by direct deposit or mailed check. If a claim requires additional information or medical records, it may take longer, but Healthy Paws communicates status updates through the portal and email. Deductible and reimbursement calculations. Once you reach your annual deductible, Healthy Paws reimburses your chosen percentage of covered costs. Suppose your policy has a $250 deductible and 80% reimbursement. If your first claim of the year is $1,000, you pay $250 toward the deductible plus 20% of the remaining $750, $150. Healthy Paws reimburses $600. Subsequent claims that year will be reimbursed at 80% without applying the deductible again. Exam fees and other excluded costs are not reimbursed. Now for the pros of Healthy Paws. Unlimited coverage. Healthy Paws' lack of annual or lifetime caps is a standout. This means if your pet develops a chronic condition requiring treatment every year, then you won't hit a limit and be left paying the rest. For serious conditions like cancer, unlimited coverage can save tens of thousands of dollars. Fast claim processing. The combination of a simple claim submission and fast turnaround appeals to pet owners facing emergency vet bills. Healthy Paws' mobile app makes it easy to upload invoices on the spot, and reimbursements often arrive within days. High customer satisfaction. Reviews and customer surveys frequently highlight Healthy Paws' attentive customer service and compassionate handling of claims. Representatives are pet lovers themselves, and many policyholders appreciate the personal touch during stressful times. Competitive pricing for younger pets. For puppies and young cats, Healthy Paws premiums are competitive relative to similar coverage levels at other companies. The unlimited coverage becomes more valuable if your pet develops health issues early on. Direct donation program. Healthy Paws runs the Every Quote Gives Hope initiative, donating a portion of each free insurance quote to homeless pets. To date, they've donated millions to animal shelters. This philanthropic aspect appeals to many pet parents. Now for the cons of Healthy Paws. There's no wellness or routine care coverage. Healthy Paws does not offer add-ons for routine care, such as vaccines, dental cleanings, or spaying and neutering surgeries. Some competitors like Embrace or Nationwide provide wellness plans. If you want coverage for preventative care, Healthy Paws is not the right fit. No exam fee coverage. Vet exam fees can add up, especially if your pet sees specialists. Healthy Paws does not reimburse exam or consultation fees, which some competitors do. You'll pay these out of pocket, even for covered conditions. Limited customization. While the simplicity of one plan is appealing, it also means fewer options. You cannot select lower annual limits in exchange for lower premiums. If you want a lower cost plan with a cap, you'll need to look elsewhere. Coverage for older pets is limited. Pets enrolled after age 6 for dogs and age 14 for cats can still get coverage, but reimbursements may be limited to 50% or 60% and deductibles may be higher. Chronic conditions present before enrollment will be excluded. Premiums for older pets can be high, so it's best to enroll early. Waiting periods for certain conditions. The 12-month waiting period for hip dysplasia and cruciate ligament issues can be a downside if you have a breed prone to those conditions. Other insurers may offer shorter waiting periods or immediate coverage with an orthopedic exam. Comparing Healthy Paws to competitors. Healthy Paws versus Embrace. Embrace allows for more customization with annual limits and deductible options and offers a wellness plan. However, Embrace has annual caps on coverage while Healthy Paws offers unlimited coverage. Embrace reimburses exam fees where Healthy Paws is not. Embrace's premiums may be lower for older pets while Healthy Paws may be cheaper for younger ones. Healthy Paws versus Trupanion. Trupanion has unique features like paying vets directly at checkout. It also offers add-ons for rehabilitation and other services. Trupanion's premiums tend to be higher, but it doesn't impose payout caps, similar to Healthy Paws. However, Trupanion uses a per-condition deductible, which means you pay a separate deductible for each new condition. unlike Healthy Paws' annual deductible. Healthy Paws versus Nationwide. Nationwide offers accident, illness, wellness, and exotic pet coverage. Premiums can be higher and coverage is sometimes less comprehensive for hereditary conditions. Healthy Paws focuses on dogs and cats and has no annual caps. If you have an exotic pet, Nationwide may be your only option. Tips for maximizing Healthy Paws benefits. Enroll early. Sign up while your pet is young and healthy to secure lower premiums and broader coverage. Pre-existing conditions will be excluded if you wait too long. Choose the right deductible. Consider your budget and how often you anticipate vet visit. A higher deductible lowers premiums but increases out-of-pocket costs during big claims. Budget for fees and routine care. Since Healthy Paws does not cover exam fees or preventative care, set aside funds for annual visits, vaccines, and dental cleanings. Submit claims promptly. Use the mobile app to file claims soon after treatment. Keep copies of invoices and medical records to avoid delays. Review policy documents. Read the policy thoroughly to understand exclusions, waiting periods, and reimbursement calculations. Knowing the details prevents surprises when you file a claim. So Healthy Paws remains a strong contender in the pet insurance market. It's unlimited coverage, fast claim processing, and higher customer satisfaction set it apart. However, the lack of wellness coverage and exam fee reimbursement, limited customization, and cost increases for older pets may be drawbacks for some. If you're looking for straightforward accident and illness coverage with no payout caps and you're willing to handle routine care yourself, Healthy Paws is likely worth the investment. As with any insurance decision, compare quotes, assess your pet's breed and health risks, and read the policy carefully before committing. With the right coverage, you can ensure your four-legged family member receives the best care without financial strain. So if you want to get started with Healthy Paws, just click the link down below in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. Your support through these links helps keep our channel going and allows us to continue to create free content just like this. We'd really appreciate it if you end up using it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide clear, in-depth guides and comparisons to help you understand different types of insurance and make smarter decisions about protecting yourself, your family, your lifestyle, and your pets. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.